Hello everyone, welcome to Tujit tutorial. I'm Tujit and today we have an exciting topic to dive into. But before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's get it on. Speaking English, culinary. About me, the title is culinary, author is me asal kelakon, published at Tujit tutorial and copyright and 2004. Summary. Level 1. Summary speaking involves simplifying complex information into basic, easy to understand language. It's typically used when communicating with individuals who may have limited comprehension or language skill. Exploring different culinary traditions opens up a world of flavor and techniques. Day 2. Culinary. Detailed topic. Vocabulary about the culinary. And then let's practice. 1. Teacher topic. Teacher question. Can you cook? Do you like any specific cuisine you like? Do you have any comfort food? Yes, I enjoy cooking and experiment with new recipes. It's a great way to relax and be creative. Number 2. I particularly enjoy Italian cuisine. The flavors are rich and comforting, and there are great variety of dishes to explore. Number 3. My comfort food is warm bowl and homemade mac and cheese. It's simple, nostalgic, and always hit the spot. Book of vocabulary. Culinary, food, beverage, cuisine, taste, flavor, salty, sweet, savory, bitter, umami, spicy, and tasty. There is of vocabulary about the cuisine or culinary. Let's practice. Conversation. What is the best kind of flavor? The best kind of flavor is subjective, but many people love them for sweet and savory. Oh. Is eating spicy not healthy for us? Eating spicy food is moderate and generally healthy, but it can cause issues for some people with tasting problems. Do you have any food allergy? No, I don't. I don't have any food allergy. What kind of cuisine can you find nearby in your hometown? Nearby my hometown, you can find American cuisine, including Italian, Japanese, or Chinese. Enough for today. English day about cuisine or culinary. Thank you to the tutorial.